Want faster speeds? Here's how to switch your T-Mobile hotspot to 5G. First, understand network modes. LTE only uses 4G. 5G LTE is a hybrid for seamless connections. Forcing 5G only prioritizes 5G but might cause drops in weak signal areas. To switch, access your hotspot settings via a web browser or the T-Mobile app. Go to Settings, Cellular Network Mode. Select 5G or SA/NSA. SA is the latest, fastest 5G standard. Finally, test your connection with a speed test app. Look for the 5G indicator to confirm activation. Remember, 5G requires a compatible hotspot and plan. Note that battery life can decrease in 5G-only mode. 5G operates across different frequency bands, each offering unique advantages. Understanding these bands helps you optimize your hotspot's performance. Low band provides the broadest coverage but with slower speeds. Mid-band offers a good balance between coverage and performance. High band, or millimeter wave, delivers the fastest speeds but over shorter distances. To optimize performance, access your hotspot settings to select preferred bands. Choose N41 for reliable connections or N260 for maximum speed in urban environments. Some devices may need a reboot after changes. Your location determines the best band choice. Urban areas excel with millimeter wave for high speeds, while suburban and rural locations work better with mid-band for consistent coverage. For convenience, use the T-Mobile app to adjust bands remotely. New 2025 firmware includes AI that automatically selects the optimal bands based on your usage patterns for the best speeds.